Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Toyota Camry and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the taillight. So all you're going to need is distilled water with baby shampoo mixed together in a spray bottle. You're also going to need distilled water with isopropyl alcohol mixed together in another spray bottle. So for the slip solution, which contains the soapy water, once you have your solution, spray it onto the taillight. And you can also spray it onto the surrounding area. That way we have the paint around the taillight clean, just in case the film does touch the paint. It doesn't get any contaminants. So just use a clean microfiber towel to remove any contaminants on the taillight. Now we're going to spray tack solution onto our clean microfiber towel. And this is just to help remove any wax or any coating that the taillight may have. And then once we're done prepping the taillight, we can start with the installation. Okay, so we're going to start out with the piece that covers this section of the taillight. So just spray slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you want to start by aligning it right on the edge here. So the top section of the tint is going to cover this top section of the taillight. So make sure you have enough material to cover the top here. And because it is a very thin piece, we're going to need to apply tack solution. That way the adhesive on the film is able to start tacking down faster. So align it on the edge. So it should be aligned right there. Grab your squeegee, tack it down here to secure it, and make sure you help tack down the bottom. Keep everything aligned. And with this one, it covers just up to the edge here. It does not wrap around here because since it is a deep curve, the material is going to have a hard time holding on to the taillight. So we need to make sure just to tack it down up to the edge here. So right here is where it stops. So now just grab your squeegee, start securing the film, tack it down, tuck underneath, and the top. And just to help the adhesive activate faster, we're going to apply heat. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer to help apply heat to the front surface of the tint. So with your heat gun or hair dryer, just use the lowest setting and apply heat evenly throughout the entire tint. And as you're applying heat, grab a clean microfiber towel and apply a little bit of pressure. That way we help the film start tacking down to this section of the taillight. Grab your squeegee and just help it tuck in. And that's pretty much it for this one. And now we move on to the next piece here. So for this one, you can do the dry method installation. So what that means, you don't need to have any solution. You can just start by aligning it right on the edge. And make sure when you align it where the body line is. So if you need to lift it and adjust it, you can. And make sure you use the top half where the body line is as a guide in order to align the rest of the film. So align it as you go. Use your finger to tack it down and make sure you're not leaving any air bubbles underneath the film. So with one hand just hold the film, and then with the other hand use your finger to tack it down. So it should cover up to the edge here. Remember not to leave any air bubbles. If you do have any air bubbles, just carefully lift the film. Try not to pull the film too hard because you may stretch it. And then just stop it wherever the bubble is. Squeegee it out with your finger. And continue on. It's very important not to leave those bubbles because if you leave them over time, they might cause some damage or issues with the installation and cause the film to lift over time. So remember, it only covers the face here, not this inside section here. So when it comes to doing this installation here, it's the same process. We need to make sure we align it here. Keep in mind, the tint doesn't cover this bottom section of the red color of the taillight here, because of the same design that it has on the top here. The bottom section doesn't have enough room for the film to hold on to, so it only covers just this section here. We are going to use Tack Solution to install the film. So apply Tack Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film, and just a little bit of Slip Solution. That way we're able to stretch the film and move it around as needed. Once you have your film, place it on the edge as so, and with this one just align it where we left off with this one. It has to cover the red section here, so right here should be fine. Make sure it's covered. And then for this part here, we're going to leave it right now as is, because we need to secure this section in order to help the film stretch and reach this section here. So apply Tack Solution on top, grab your squeegee, tack it down to secure it, and the bottom section as well. So it's just like that. Just make sure to secure just this area here. So once this is secured, we're coming back here. Now to help the film stretch and cover the edge here, we're going to lift it up to around here, apply Slip Solution, place it back, and just do a light stretch in order for the film to cover up to the edge. And also what this stretching does is helps remove any fingers that you may encounter on this section, because if you don't stretch the film, you're going to have fingers here, and if you try to squeegee the film with the fingers on this curve here, you're going to crease the film. So it's important to stretch it in order to remove the fingers. And if the film is getting dry, just lift it again and apply Slip Solution. So stretch up to the edge, hold it in position for a couple seconds. That way the adhesive on the film starts activating. Hold it, and then now grab your squeegee and start tacking down the film. Once this is done, just to make sure that the bottom section is completely tacked down, we're going to apply just a little bit of heat. That way it stays tacked down and it doesn't lift over time. So use this low setting on your heat gun or hair dryer to help seal the bottom section. And with your microfiber towel, just hold it and tack it down. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Remember, this part is not being covered, so it's just these two sections here and this top section here. So now we can move on to this section of the tail light. Okay, so now we're moving on with this piece. So with this one, just apply a little bit of Slip Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just make sure we align it on the edge here. So align it here, and everything else falls into place. So hold it in position, spray Tack Solution on top, and start tacking it down to secure it. And you can also apply Tack Solution underneath, that way the adhesive starts to activate. Just make sure the film doesn't move and get misaligned. So hold it and tack it down. Okay, so now we're moving on with the piece that covers this section of the tail light. So with this one, we can do the dry installation method. Just make sure to start right on the edge here first. So align it on the edge, and the film is going to overlap just a little bit with the piece that we installed here. So align it there, and just make sure you're covering just the intersection here. Like I mentioned, it is going to overlap the film with this one. That's perfectly fine. That way it has full coverage. If we need to lift and adjust the film, we can. Just lift it carefully, that way we don't pull the film and overstretch it. And then just work your way until you reach it to the top end here. Make sure everything's being covered, double check, and you should be good. And now just help the film tack down here to the curve like this. And then with your squeegee, just help it secure here, since you may encounter some air bubbles. Just grab your squeegee to help remove those air bubbles. Something you can do if you're having trouble bringing those air bubbles down is just lifting the film just on the edge here. So lift it carefully, just the top edge. That way we're able to release the air and then tack it back down. And just lift carefully all around this edge here. Okay, so for this section here, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And like I mentioned, it's just going to cover just the face here. So keep it aligned on the top, on the body line. So it should follow through just like this. Lift the film carefully and start applying Tack Solution underneath. Try not to misalign it as you apply tack solution on the film. Hold it in position and start tacking it down to secure it. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. And then you will notice this material here. That material, we just tuck it in underneath to cover the bottom section here. So just make sure to remove all the solution. And before we move on to the next installation, we need to make sure we seal the entire tint. That way it doesn't lift over time, and also we avoid lifting the other tints that's going to be installed on top of it. So just grab your heat gun or hair dryer, use the low setting, apply heat throughout the entire edges of the tint. And as you're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to start sealing all of the edges where we apply heat. And just repeat the step throughout the entire tail light here, and then we'll continue on with the next installation. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section of the tail light. So with this one, same steps. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, you are going to notice that the film extends up to the edge here. So it's important that we help it align on the top here, edges here, and here. So what we're going to need to do is secure this section here first. That way we're able to tack down the rest. So make sure right here, you can overlap the film or meet it right on the edge. Just make sure you have coverage to cover the right clear of the tail light. So leave it here, apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Grab your squeegee and start securing it to tack it down. And if you need to lift and readjust, you can. And this should cover it on the bottom section here. So remove all the solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and remember this one just goes up to the edge right here. So grab your squeegee and just tack it down to secure it. Now same steps here, secure the bottom, and then on this section here, just make sure everything stays aligned. You will probably need to stretch it just a little bit so I can reach the bottom edge here. So it's just a light stretch. So just like that. And then just grab your squeegee and finish tacking down the rest. So to remove the fingers on this section here, a little bit of heat with tack solution will do the trick. So spray tack solution, and then wherever you see those fingers, just apply heat. You can use the low setting on your heat gun or hair dryer and apply it evenly. Once you apply heat, something you can do is wrap your microfiber towel around your squeegee and start tacking it down like this. That way we help the film start tacking down to this curve here, and just hold it for a couple seconds. That way it stays tacked down. And you just repeat this process throughout the entire panel here. Okay, and before we finish, make sure to seal the top edge as well, bottom edge as well, and the edges here. Okay, so now we're moving on with the top section here. This one is a two-piece installation, so we're going to focus on the bigger section here first. So just apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we just need to make sure we align the film right on the edge here. And this one, we're not covering the top section here. We're only covering this flat surface here. So lift the film, apply tack solution, that way the adhesive starts to activate. Make sure it stays aligned on the edge. Grab your squeegee and tack it down to secure it. Make sure it stays secured, and then just work your way until you reach to the other end here. So this piece here has to stretch and cover at least up to the curve here. Make sure also this section is being covered, and just to help seal the edges here, we're going to apply heat with tack solution. So grab tack solution, apply it on top, grab your heat gun, and same steps as you're applying heat, just use your microfiber towel to help it tack down. So for this last piece, we could do the dry installation method. Just make sure you align everything and it stays tacked down. So with this one, just align it where we left off. So right here, and then just make sure you follow through up until it reaches to this end here. So take your time tacking it down. If you need to lift it to readjust it, like for example a finger here, we could come back to it since it's close to the edge here. So just work your way until you reach to the other end. And this is why it was important to clean the surrounding area of the tint, because the film may touch the paint on this top section here. And then if you encounter the finger here, lift the film carefully and readjust it to remove the finger. You just grab your squeegee to secure the film. And once we finish securing this entire section, the last step is to post heat the entire film. So the last thing to do once we finish with the entire installation for the tail light is to post heat the entire film. So to post heat, just apply tack solution to the front section of the tail light, and we're going to use our heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer. Use the low setting for this part and make sure to apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel just to apply a little bit of pressure and help tack down the film to the tail light, and we're also helping the adhesive on the film activate faster as we're applying heat. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the taillight tints for the Toyota Camry. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.